So today we're going to say
6, 7.
no. Wow, okay, in different emotions. First in happy, sad, and angry. Okay? So mommy will go first. It's the happy. Okay?
Wow!
Si mommy muna.
Si Mami una.
Si mommy muna. Mommy will say the happy one. Okay. So
Wow.
for the first one. Wow, okay.
Wow! Okay! 6, 7.
Ate,
7.
Ate Bem first.
Wow! Okay!
Paula.
Wow! Okay! 6, 7.
Ano ba kasi? No need to say 6, 7. Okay. The next one is sad. Okay? You will say wow, okay, but in a sad. Okay. How to be sad? Wow, okay. Ate Bem.
Wow! Okay.
That's your sad? Paula.
Wow! Okay.
Good job. The last one, we have... What's the last one?
Angry!
Okay, mommy first. Wow! Okay!
Wow! Okay!
Wait lang. You wait for mommy's cue. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Okay! Wow! Okay!
Is that you agree? That's it.
6, 7. 6,